I'm Karen Pineda. I'm the Nutrition Consultant Head of the Sports Nutrition Unit. I'm also an Assistant Professor in the University of Santo Tomas. I'm handling sports science students wherein I teach nutrition, health promotion, and sports nutrition subjects. Alright, so the topic is sports nutrition and supplementation, but I'm not going to talk about any specific supplements. Clear? So baka madami kayong tanong on whey, on creatine, on nitric acid, or whatever. Maybe we can have another session, no? Specific on the supplements. But my topic will focus on what athletes need to know, okay, before you decide to buy a supplement. Okay? Alright. So what is sports supplements, no? Or ano bang tawag natin? Okay, it can be defined as sports food, medical supplements, ergogenic supplements, dietary supplements, functional supplements, superfoods, and other supplements. So when you go to a nutrition store, no, ano sasabihin nyo? Meron ba kayong pagkain, power foods, yung pagpalakas, no? So you can call it sports food, you can call it ergogenic food, whatever.